made it. We are in Kilpisjärvi. If you look around, this is the northmost point of Finland you can get. Those mountains over there are either part of Norway, and those ones will either be part of Sweden, or maybe it's the other way around.
Okay, so Dave's scraping off the top layer now. He's preparing the ice water for us.
My hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. And I'm on it, honest, I'm gonna launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking and they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, so stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live my die. Wish I could slow
That's heaven.
time and just enjoy.
That's bloody heaven.
Alright, so we made it halfway up the Saana mountain. We just flew the drone, we just took some sick shots over there. But David and Tyra is going actually to the top of the mountain. They're the two little dots up there. They left me down here with one yogurt, one piece of bread. Nah, kidding. So they're going up there to the top of the mountain, but I wanted to stay down here and just enjoy the view. Because honestly, it's quite high. It's about 1,000 meters up. And I'm just too cold, and I just want to sit down here and enjoy the view. We took a lot of drone shots over there, a lot of beautiful photos out here where it's just all white. It just looks like it's from another world.
Alright, so we had to leave Sergio behind. I'm not sure if you can see him, but if you look down there, he is that little red dot spinning around, still going with the vlog. But don't worry, we're gonna take you up on this trip. So, Kilpisjärvi, we are climbing Mount Saana. Now, I just read on a sign earlier that it gets 25,000 visitors a year, which is mostly just the Finnish and Norwegian people. But as Norway, looking straight out there, has their own stunning mountains, the majority of the people here are just local Finnish people. This is because there's no international airport here, so the only way here is by car or snowmobile. But I hope that by showing you the beautiful places this has to offer, that maybe it can inspire you to come out here and see a real Arctic experience. Get away from the bubble wrap tour packages that the majority of people come to Lapland for. Alright, we're pretty high up now. As you can see, we're beginning to enter the cloud coverage. So visibility is going to get a little bit poor now, but hopefully by the time we reach the top, it's going to clear up and we'll get some beautiful views. Not a bad view at all. We have made it! The GoPro's just died, so we got to film this on the phone, but here you go. Saana, 1,029 meters. Look at that. Some mail in the Saana mailbox. Just having a look through, see if anyone's left any notes for the local woman. You've heard it, folks. Unless anyone else from Australia wants to dispute it, I'm claiming to be the first Australian to hike this mountain. Let's go.